Hi guys, and welcome back to another video from MZ Mechanic. In this episode we are going to talk about some of the most amazing and biggest trench diggers in the world. Huge industrial machines like chain trenchers and wheel trenchers are employed in a variety of construction projects like the installation of large diameter pipes and electrical systems because they can move even the roughest terrain. These are the top 5 trenches in the entire world. And if you like this kind of video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The TESMEC 1475 XL Evo is a heavy chain excavator manufactured in Italy that combines high traction and low chain speed. It is used to install massive pipe systems at considerable depth and can operate in the most difficult situations and trench bottoms with hard and abrasive rocks. It weighs 92 tons, is 30 meters long by 5.6 meters high and a massive 1630 horsepower. It can dig trenches that are up to 4.8 meters deep and 1.4 meters wide. Necessary RC 800-140. It is a high productivity chain excavator made in Spain that can dig trenches with irregular walls and bottoms and is outfitted with a mobile chain. It is used in projects for solar, wind and water supply systems. It is 12 meters long by 3.5 meters high, weighs 40 tons and measures 12 meters by 3.5 meters. It has an 800 horsepower engine and it can dig trenches up to 4 meters deep and 1.4 meters wide. The Eagle 9700 is a heavy-duty wheel trencher built in the United States that can dig trenches for foundations, irrigation systems and other structures. It may be outfitted with a drainage pipe installation system and a gravel hopper and is designed to work well in a variety of soil conditions. It is 31.7 tons in weight, 13.2 meters long and 4 meters high. It has a 275 horsepower engine and can dig trenches up to 2.7 meters deep and 81 centimeters broad. The TESMEC 1675 Evo, it is an Italian-made high-capacity chain excavator that can dig trenches up to 7.3 meters deep and 1.8 meters wide. It has an engine that has 760 horsepower, it measures 15 meters long by 4.6 meters high and weighs 110 tons. It can be equipped with double or triple chains and has an electronic monitoring and control system that is used in large diameter piping systems and deep trench water of drainage systems. The TESMEC 1375 is an Italian-made high-productivity excavator wheel trencher used for utility projects. It can quickly dig trenches over long distance and enable the installation of large diameter electrical cables or pipelines. Features an engine with 540 horsepower and can move at a pace of more than 3 km per hour. It can dig trenches up to 3 meters deep and 1.7 meters wide. It is 50 meters long, 6 meters high and weighs 70 tons. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time!